Stop yelling at me. Now.
I love you.
Yeah, cool. I love you too.
I want to stay with you in your room, in your bed.
Okay, well, that's not gonna happen. Anyway.
My love language is physical touch. Touch my ass, please, and thank you.
Hey, good morning, Kanye.
Do you want some? Dinner. You want some dinner?
Everyone shut up, my cat has something to say.
Okay. Do you know today's gonna be a good day? Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying to you? Just because there's another dog doesn't mean we don't love you too, okay? Do you get that? Do you get it? Okay. Alright, buddy.
That's right. You and me, right now. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
And use your body weight to push the dough into itself. Use a scraper to pull the dough off the board if it sticks.
Wah, 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 wah.
Got nothing in my brain. Got nothing in my brain.
Y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
You stay.
Nhâm nhâm nhâm.